Okay, once you guys get your account registered and you log in, you should see something like this. There's going to be a big bright banner here saying, hey, verify your identity. And that's going to be the first step that we are going to want to do. So click this verify your account button. And then I'm actually going to click on this step 1 here, documents. So I would do this portion first, and it is the residential address and then the proof of identification. So for me, I use my driver's license, and then I will use a utility bill. Once you guys do that, go to the personal profile section. And then on here, just fill in all the information it's asking you guys. It's pretty straightforward. And the only other thing I wanted to mention was this trading experience. I mean, if you have never done any of this, what I did is click the Forex and then click daily, seminar, less than 10,000, and then less than a year. Or if you have some experience and you can speak to some of this, then fill that out correctly. But once you guys do this, fill out all the information, you've submitted your documents, just click this submit for verification button at the bottom, and then that will put your identity process, your application, in the queue, and you should be on your way. I believe within a few hours, if anything, the same day, during the week, I got approved. So look out for that. And this will change here. It will say verified. Once you're verified, let me double check and see if they actually sent me an email saying that I was verified. Okay, yes, I did get an email here from them. This is what it should look like, or something similar to this. So look out for an email once your account has been verified. You cannot open up any kind of real account and start trading until this verification, this KYC process is done and you're verified. Okay, so very important you guys do this. Get this done as soon as you can once you get yourself registered and logged in. And with that, once your account has been verified, let's move on to the next step and get you guys going. Okay, once your account is verified and approved, then the next step here is to create a live trading account. So I logged in, I'm on the accounts page. This is the home page, the default, and I'm going to click this real account button right here. And then on this next page, just make sure that you are on the live accounts. It should default to that. Now, two things to notice here. We've got a variable account and an ECN account. Now, if you plan to fund your account with $300, then you are going to want to do the variable account, because the minimum for that one you can see is $100. Now, if you plan to do $500 minimum, then I would do the ECN account and go from there. Now, if you end up depositing $300 into the variable account, you end up getting a little bit more than $500 or $500, and you want to open up an ECN account, all you need to do is create a new account, ECN account, and then you can do some internal transfers between your trading accounts. So that's it, you guys. So for example, if I wanted to do the ECN account with the minimum 500, I would click that. The currency for me is USD, and then I just typically do the highest leverage. So 1 to 1,000 is what they offer, and then you are going to click this create account button. After you click that button, you're going to get this new account pop up, and then from here you can deposit straight into this and then follow the instructions. But I'm going to go over that in the next video, so I'm just going to exit out of here so I can show you guys what we did. They also sent you an email, and let me actually show you that email right now so you can use this for upcoming steps. Okay, so we can see that Absolute Markets sent us an email saying, hey, you created an ECN account. Here are your credentials. Now, just remember what your login, your trading account number is, because we're going to use that later on so we can connect to the PAM and connect to this trading team. But if you want to log into this on an MT4 app or anything like that, you can access this right here. And let me go back to the website. And now when I am on my homepage, I can see my new ECN trading account that I created. Once you guys deposit, it'll show up here. You can also deposit and all of that from here. But again, I'm going to show you guys that in the next step. But this one, very simple. That's how you create your account, either the ECN account for $500 or more, or the variable account if you're going in with 300. Okay. With that, you guys, that is it for this video. So I will catch you on the next. Okay, once your trading account is created, the next step is to deposit into that trading account. So you can see I'm on the deposit tab. This is the deposit page. And something to note really quick, the minimum deposit is $25, max is 500,000. I doubt anybody's going to run into any issues on the max portion, but just remember the minimum deposit, okay? So if you ever want to add more funds and deposit more into your account, 25 is the minimum. So once you understand that, click the confirm button. And then from here, we are going to choose the trading account that we just created. And we can see that right here. So this is the one that I want to deposit into. So I'm going to click that. I'm going to choose the amount. I'm going to say 550 just to make sure any conversions or whatnot are accounted for. And then the currency for me is USD. I'm going to hit the continue button. There is going to be a conversion pop-up right here, just explaining, letting you guys know. So this looks good to me. I'm going to get 550 or somewhere around there at least. I'm going to hit the confirm button. And then this again is just checking all the information. I'm putting in depositing 550. Here's the date, trading account. And then it says Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, or any other crypto wallet. So let me hit the continue button. They actually accept pretty much every main cryptocurrency and stablecoin. So you'll see here, let me make this a little bit bigger for you guys. Let me accept that. So I can choose Bitcoin or anything else that this processor offers or accepts. So if I want to do USDT ERC20, I did USDT TRC20, so on the Tron network, and it's pretty cool. It even tells you the stablecoin. So if you guys like to use volatile coins, Ethereum, Bitcoin, you can use that. I like to stay within stablecoins, USDT. On the TRC20 or ERC20, they also accept USDC. So a bunch of different stuff. You guys can check that out. So let's just say I want to use USDT, TRC20, and then it's going to tell me this is how much I need to send. All right. So I'm going to hit the proceed to payment. But before I do that, let me show you guys this. If you want to just get notified from your email or to your email, then put that in there, hit confirm, and then hit the proceed to payment button. All right, on this next page, this is the final step here, okay? So it's giving you the QR code. It's giving you the actual written out wallet address. It's telling you how much USDT TRC20 to send, and then it's going to say the rate will be updated in 20 minutes. So the sooner you guys can update this, I always like to send an extra $1 or $2. And that's on top of any fee that I'm sending, just to make sure things are covered. So I never send the exact amount. I always send $1 or $2 more, just to make sure all the fees and everything's included. But once you guys send the appropriate amount to this address, once it has been sent on your end, I like to keep this page up. And it really takes, I think it took me less than 30 minutes, 30 minutes. Once it's sent on my end, you'll see this moving, confirming on blockchain, all of that. And then once this completes, it's going to redirect you back to Absolute Markets. And then you will get an email later on saying, hey, we've received your funds. And then you can go in and check that on your account. So within 30 minutes, maybe an hour or so, everything should be reflected on your account on the website. And let me just double check. Let me show you guys the email confirmation just so you can kind of get an idea of what this looks like. Okay, so this is a quick email from Now Payments. So Now Payments is the one processing this, and they're just saying, hey, your transaction here has been successfully processed. So that was, a week ago. Like I said, within 15 minutes to 30, this portion right here should be all the way done, and then maybe in an hour or so, it might be sooner. I can't remember exactly, but it was all the same day, and it was within a couple hours, if anything. I believe it was a lot quicker, but that's it, you guys. So once this is all done, you can go back to your Absolute Markets website back office and then see that deposit reflecting in your trading account. Okay, so for example, this is back on Absolute Markets. This is the account that I was depositing into. This is what it will look like. So you'll see the balance and see all of that updated. And that's it. So very, very simple process as long as you guys know how to use crypto for transactions. And that's it for this step, you guys. The next video, I'm going to show you how to connect your trading account to the FX Master PAM. All right. Again, very simple step, but that's going to be it for this one. So I will catch you guys in that next video. Okay, so our trading account is created. Our deposit has now shown up. Now, the last step is to email Absolute Markets and then request for them to connect our trading account to the FX Master Gold PAM system. So all you guys need to do is log in, grab your trading account number. So for me, mine is 6021079. All right. And once you have that, go to the email that you use to sign up. So make sure it matches because we need to send the email from the one tied to our account. So go head over to your email and I'll show you the next step there. And once you guys have your email pulled up, you want to send this to technical@absolutemarkets.com. I labeled this as FX Master Gold PAM Connect. And then get this. I will include this, you guys, in the description of this video. So I'll include the email that you need to send to, and then the template so you can just copy and paste this, maybe a little bit easier. But what we are saying here is please link my MT4 account number and then put in your trading account number that we just saw from the Absolute Markets website to the FX Master Gold trading strategy, 20% profit sharing, weekly lot size by equity. That is it. You hit send and then you are all set. Now let me show you the email that they will send you once the account has been connected. Now, typically I've seen this the same day, unless it's on a weekend, maybe it might be the following day. But during the week, I have seen this, I've seen the responses come back within 24 hours. So I would expect somewhere around there. Now, let me show you the response once you know that your account has been linked up correctly to the FX Master Gold trading strategy. All right, and this is the email, pretty simple and straightforward. It says, hello, we confirm that your account was linked to the FX Master Gold trading strategy. Regards, Absolute Markets technical team. That's it, you guys. So once you see this connected, this email response, you are all set. So if you're then wondering, okay, am I going to get the next trades? Did I get the next trades? I'm checking throughout the whole day. I don't see any trades. Just so you guys are aware, I have seen them trade majority of the time during the late Asian session, London session, sometimes the beginning of New York session. However, today, for example, they had really good trades already during the Asian and London, so they didn't even trade in the New York session. So for me, that is, I would say from 8 p.m. Mountain Time to let's say let's just say 8 p.m. Mountain to 8 a.m. Mountain. That's typically where I see some trading happening. So if you guys are within or without or outside of that boundary of trading, most likely you're not going to see any trades. So if you get this connected and you are outside of that trading period, you're just going to have to wait until 8 p.m. Mountain. That's 10 p.m. Eastern, so maybe that's a little bit easier. 10 p.m. to 10 a.m. Eastern is typically where I see the trading happen, okay? A lot of the times I see it more from 10 p.m. Eastern to early in the morning for me. So that's generally when I see it, but I have seen some trades closer to the beginning or early New York session. But again, you guys, once that is all set, you've gotten the response email, you're all good. All right. So you can check out my other video guide so you can see how to connect this to the MT4 app. You can follow along with your own personal trading account. But that is it for this video and connecting your account. All right, I'm going to show you guys how to withdraw from your trading account. Very, very simple process. And you'll see I'm on the withdraw tab. This is the withdraw page. Very, very important. You guys choose the correct method. So they offer 3 different payouts for withdrawals. You can choose Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDT. This is what I use because it's a stable coin and I don't like to deal with the volatility. So I'm going to choose USDT. Just remember, minimum withdrawal is 25, max withdraw 500,000. I assume this is per request. Okay, so remember that, and then hit the confirm button. Similar to depositing, click this drop down, choose the account that you are wanting to withdraw from. Once you've done that, put in the amount you want to withdraw. Let's just say for me, I'll just do $50, all right? And then I'll do currency. I only have USD because that's what I have set up for my account. And then I will hit the continue button. Going to get this pop-up for the conversion. I should get something really, really close to 50. Last time I did a withdrawal, I think I was around 80 cents short, and that was probably due to the conversion and fee. So after that, you guys hit the continue button if all of this checks out. Now this step is very important. It's saying purse, and that doesn't make too much sense. I actually, when I originally did this to test, I put in the wrong information. This is your wallet address, okay? So I chose USDT in the step 1 select method section. So I need to put my USDT wallet address in this box. Now they accept ERC20 or TRC20. They do recommend TRC20, and that's generally what I like to use anyway. So if it were me, I would use USDT TRC20, paste the wallet address in this field right here. Right now it says purse. Maybe by the time you watch this, it says something different, but this is the section for your wallet address. You can choose save my details. I have noticed that this doesn't actually save anything, so you can check it or uncheck it. Once all of this is good, you've entered in your wallet address, go ahead and hit that confirm button. All right, you are on the confirmation page. Now, if you messed up something and you need to cancel, you can quickly cancel this withdraw transaction. Otherwise, give up to 24 hours for these guys to respond to your withdrawal request. Generally, I've seen it within 24 hours, unless it is the weekend. Okay, so just remember that. Make sure you guys are putting in the correct wallet address, and that is it. Okay, very, very simple. If you end up having multiple different accounts, just make sure that you're choosing the correct trading account to withdraw from. Follow the steps. If you need to rewind, go back, and that should be it. Okay, so once you get to this page, they will send you an email saying it has been processed, and let me go ahead and show you that right now. All right, very simple and straightforward email. It's just saying how much the request was for, from what trading account, and that it was successfully executed. So once you guys get this email, you should very quickly and shortly thereafter see this reflect in your crypto wallet, and that's it. So very simple. That's how you guys do withdrawals, and I believe that's it. So thank you guys. Hopefully all of these guides have been helpful, and if anything changes, I'll make sure to update that. But that's it for this video. Thank you.